Paraphrasing prompts. Simplify to understand. Hello, learners. Today, we're diving deep into an essential skill for your GMAT and GRE essay writing journey. Paraphrasing the prompt. Ever read a question and felt lost? We've all been there, but with the power of paraphrasing, you can understand and respond to any prompt confidently. Let's get started. Paraphrasing is the act of rewording or rephrasing a sentence or paragraph while retaining its original meaning. It's like telling the same story but in your own words. This is incredibly useful, especially when the original sentence is complex or hard to understand. Clarity. Complex prompts can be confusing. Paraphrasing helps simplify the language, making the core idea more accessible. Retention. When you paraphrase, you process the information actively. This aids in better comprehension and memory. Precision. Breaking a prompt down ensures you address all its components in your response. 1. Read the prompt multiple times until you grasp the main idea. 2. Identify the key points. Understand the central theme, the question, and any supporting details. 3. Write without looking. Look away from the original and jot down the essence of the prompt. 4. Compare. Check your paraphrase against the original. Ensure you haven't changed the meaning. 5. Refine. If necessary, tweak your paraphrase for clarity and accuracy. Avoid using similar structures. Ensure your paraphrased sentence isn't just a copy of the original with a few synonyms. Stay true to the meaning. It's easy to unintentionally distort the meaning. Always double-check. Practice with diverse prompts. The more you practice, the better you'll become at quickly understanding and paraphrasing complex ideas. And there we have it. Paraphrasing might seem simple, but it's a powerful tool in your GMAT and GRE essay writing arsenal. By mastering the art of paraphrasing, you'll not only understand prompts better but also ensure your responses are on point. Keep practicing, and remember, every complex prompt is just a simple idea waiting to be unraveled. Happy studying!